How to block someone on Facebook. What is up, everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily block someone on Facebook. So the first thing you have to do is find the person that you want to block. I'll just head over here, tap on any one of these profiles. So let's say if I go over here, say I want to block this person. What I can do is basically tap on the three dots, and then from here you can just tap on block. What it does is they will no longer be able to see your posts on this profile, tag your profile, invite this profile to events or groups, message this profile, and even add this profile as a friend. If you're sure that you want to block it, tap on block, and you should be able to block this person without any problem. Now, if you are trying to block your friends, if you block your friends, they will be unfriended from your friends list. And if you decide to unblock them, you're gonna have to invite them or send them a friend request back again. That's something you have to keep in mind. So if I head over to my profile over here, and then go to my friends list, I can just go ahead and tap on friends. You could just go ahead and do that from your friends list as well. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.